and just, whoo, that was a close one. Did you guys see that?
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello everyone, my name is Moss. As you already know, I cook on this channel, and today on the list, or on the menu rather, I've got a snack called Nachos. It's ideal for you guys to obviously have as you watch a film or a movie or just chilling. It's you know, it's one of those good stuff that you eat. It's got a lot of cheese in there too, I've got to say. It's not so healthy. But anyway, before we go any further, do me a favour, hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram as well at MosToosifar, and enjoy the show. Okay guys, so here we have our frying pan. All I'm going to do is add our meat to it. Just put it in there like so. And all I'm going to do is add a little bit of oil in there, just so it doesn't burn and stick to the pan. Then of course you're going to add your regular stuff that you need, your salt. Don't worry, it's not a lot, it's not really salty, that's why I'm using a lot. We'll be alright, no one's going to get harmed. Bit of salt, sorry, pepper, not salt. Okay, and just, whew, that was a close one. Did you guys see that? Whew, I would have made a terrible mess. Turmeric. You want to add some turmeric to it, just to give it the colour. You don't want to put too much in because it's going to taste turmeric-y. Where's my spoon? And then you just want to work it. Oh, that was so close. That was so close, guys. I wouldn't have wanted to clean that up. So this is all you do. Mix it, right? There's a bit of that. Let that go on for a little bit. Obviously it needs to cook well. And yeah. What I'm going to add to this now is a little bit of tomato puree as well. Okay, that is it. Simple. What you're going to do, stir it up. It gives it all of that nice taste, that nice smell, and obviously gives it a prettier looking colour too. It gives it a nice colour, you know. So as you can see, it's definitely changed colour, and it looks a lot more cooked than what we started off with at the beginning. Now, let me turn this off for a sec. All I'm going to do, well that's fine with it, is pour it in here. We don't need it for now. Okay, we can let it cool down and stuff. I just hope it all fits. I may have picked a small bowl, but who knows. Always do opposite things. Right. Can I just say my hand's burning on top of that heat? Anywho, see what I do for you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, right? I burn for you. I take the heat. Right. I'm gonna put that back. Put this here. I'm gonna turn it back on, but low, not high. And so, got some cheddar cheese. And I've got the grinder. That's all I'm going to do. It just makes it easier for it to melt and quicker. Okay. I'm not going to use all of it, just a little bit. Right. Probably about half. That should do. Okay. Now, as this is melting away, might need more, but that'll do. As this is melting away, what you want to do is get your tomato. Let me turn this down so it takes a slow time to cook, or turn it off even. Right. What you want to try and do, obviously get that out of the way, is chop the tomato into small bits, right? That's your chopped tomatoes. Happy days, simple as. What you want to do, bring it back to heat so it gets fully melted and it doesn't stick to the thing. Take it back up. Okay, so what we're going to do now, put that to a side. We need our bowl, and all I've done is cheated a little bit, is when I've got some ready-made, well, just some packet of Doritos. Yummy. This is not sponsored. I'll cover that there. Tangy, cheesy flavour. That's just what I like. You can take whatever you want. Put it in there. Come on. This is a perfect snack for watching a movie with your lovely partner, with the kids, with the family, whatever, anyone. Okay, that's that. Now all I'm going to do, this is not moving, what's going on? It's got stuck. Alright, let this heat up a little bit more, because it's not supposed to be like that. Just get it all there. Is it going to move? What's going on? Where's the thing? Tell you what, I'm not going to wait for it all day. It looks pretty stuck. Alright. Melted, happy days, are we good? It came a bit crispy here, but hey ho, that's fine. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn it off. Try and avoid all that fat. Just pour it on the chip. Okay. Just pour it on like so. Should have put more cheese on, but anyway, that'll do. That's fine. Now, what you want to do is spoon. You want to get your meat. Oh, this is kind of hot as well. Get your meat. Listen to that sizzling noise from that. Just pour it on top. Not the whole thing, obviously. Just put a bit on. Okay. Look at that. Smells good, looks good. Now, you've got your sour cream. Okay, just little drips and dips in here and there. Look at that. Right. There's that. And then just going to use the same spoon for guacamole. Pull it around on the sides. Make sure you see a bit of both. You want it all in there. Tell you what, this guacamole smells so nice. Yeah. There's that. Also, where's the knife? Put these tomatoes right in the middle, just like so. Make it look a little bit messy as well. It's fine. There's that. And just to give it that extra bit, a small patch of flat leaf parsley on top. I hope that I recorded everything, guys. And that is your lovely snack for your video, or if you're moving rather, sorry. Nachos. Bon appetit.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up